Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. What's the difference between a phormium and a cordyline? Phormiums, known as New Zealand flaxes, and cordylines, sometimes called tea plants, are closely related New Zealand natives, drought tolerant, but there is a distinct difference. And so we're going to look at the two kinds. A New Zealand flax, also known as phormium, is a wonderful plant that grows from the base of the plant, lots of different colors, really kind of neat. Whereas a cordyline, a tea plant, grows up a stalk, and so it does produce a kind of a naked bottom. Now, both plants come in a wide range of colors, but there again is that naked stalk that you see. So the cordyline is best when there's something kind of planted around the base to cover that naked stalk, whereas the phormium will just keep growing out new leaves. Now, the old leaves do get a bit ugly, but they're going to get a little nicer. Whereas cordylines, again, well, kind of a naked stalk, and there's another one planted in the landscape. The nice thing about cordylines is that they grow upright so they can fill a vertical space, whereas a New Zealand flax is going to be something that's going to be about 4 by 4, 4 feet by 4 feet, maybe 5 feet by 5 feet. Some of the original ones can get as big as 6 feet wide and 6 feet tall. But this New Zealand flax is called Maori Queen. I love this Maori Queen. Beautiful colorations. Are going to be a little bit more on the 4 foot by 4 foot side. Really kind of wonderful plants. Now, I did mention they are USDA zones 9 to 11, so they are a little frost sensitive. The flaxes are a little tougher. They'll just die to the ground if there's a heavy frost, but they will come back. Cordylines are a little more sensitive. Some tea plants are very sensitive and need to actually be put in containers and brought inside if you live someplace really cold. But they're both wonderful focal point plants for your garden. Well, Ginger says it's time to get some water, so we're going to head on in, get Ginger some water, get out of this summertime heat. But this is a really great plant to give you some easy color in the summertime. New Zealand flaxes or cordylines, both wonderful plants. Well, that's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.